Good morning to all. In the previous session, we had a discussion on nucleus, nuclear constituents, and Rutherford alpha ray scattering. So, in this class, that is theory of alpha scattering and calculation of distance of approach. Here, first consider an atomic nucleus of charge, that is plus Ze, placed at point N. See, this is the figure. Call this as pi O. It is draw perpendicular P N. It is right. This one is B A C point. Here this one is B dash. Here A dash. Here consider an atomic nucleus of charge plus Ze. It is placed at point N. And suppose an alpha particle initially moving with velocity v nucleus towards nucleus in the direction, see this is OA. As alpha particle approaches the nucleus, its velocity goes on decreases due to Coulombic repulsion. Here you can draw perpendicular, that is Pn, to draw perpendicular to Pn to with respect to OA dash. Here Pn represents the scattering parameter B, or it is also known as impact parameter. And the distance of closest approach of alpha particle to nucleus occurs at point C, that is known as closest approach, distance of closest approach. You know how to calculate distance of closest of approach, that is, let's consider an alpha particle with kinetic energy K coming from a large distance approaching the nucleus. At point C, the repulsive force of nucleus is so strong that it stops alpha particle. Then write C equals 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Ze by d. Here Z is the atomic number of nucleus, then multiplied by what is here 2e. 2e means alpha particle of charge 2e. Then kinetic energy is equal to, here kinetic energy is equal to potential energy. Then write K equals 2 Ze square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught d. Here distance of closest approach, this can be written as that is d equals 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2 Ze square by k. So this is the formula for distance of closest approach of nucleus. Then here where k, what is k here? K here of k of m, 1 minute, that is k of mv square, that is mass of alpha particle. V is the initial velocity. This k is called distance of closest approach impact parameter. Then angle of scattering, that is denoted by angle of angle pi. It is the angle between direction of approach of a alpha particle and asymptotic direction in which it moves backside. Here the impact parameter b and scattering angle pi are related to b equals d by 2 cot phi by 2 minus z. See, this is angle of scattering formula and impact parameter. B equals d by 2 cot pi by 2 minus z. We know that d is distance of closest approach. See, from theory of alpha scattering, we can observe that most alpha particles pass through undeflected through the gold foil. Although majority of alpha particles suffered no deviation or small deviation, a few of them, see, all alpha particles are not deflected. Some are deviated, undergo it makes an angle 90 degree. Yet the large angle of alpha particle scattering is mainly due to mutual repulsion between alpha particles, and we know that positive charge is concentrated at the center of the nucleus. Since most of the space in atom is empty, many alpha particles pass straight through it. If an alpha particle moves in a direction so as to have large angle and even head-on collision, this is it undergo collision. See, this is the information related to theory of scattering, alpha particle scattering, angle of scattering, distance of closest approach.